to try to accomplish that which happens within an instant. I use the word happens, linguistically to make sense. To sense one's reality is simple. It's only a matter of knowing where to look. If you look over here, you're looking at the written word, huh? 35 years of the written word. Where is what you're looking for? You can all sense right in this instant. Right in this instant, there's people already distant. I see it. To become a light, yeah. What you do is you catch the experiencing of the world just prior to the mind's commentary about it. If you back off from the mind, you'll find an inner stillness which hasn't said anything yet. You live in the space before the world has said anything yet. When you walk outside, you're struck by the beauty of the surroundings. You haven't said anything about it yet. You live in that space. The space is pre-verbal, prior to mentalization. The difficulty with verbalization is one has to come out of that space and come forward into that verbalization, because that's what the world expects. You have to do world speak, or the world doesn't understand, because nothing's being spoken. Right at this moment, just sense within yourself that which hasn't had a second yet to make any comment about what the speaker's saying yet. The mind's commentary is a delay. There's a split-second delay, and you live in that experience before any comment. When you dive off a diving board into the water, there's no thinkingness about it as you hit the water. The thinkingness comes later. A split second later, that dive wasn't made correctly. Oh, that dive wasn't made correctly. But that's a split second after you go splat on the water and realize that full gainer was only a 3/4 gainer. The Red Belly Express. Even as you think you're not getting it, you're there right now. Right now, within everybody's consciousness, is the presence of consciousness itself, prior to any kind of content. So you draw back and you live in the space right before the mind starts to make commentary. And you hold back in this space beyond the mind's thinkingness.